globalization and economic integration have revolutionized the way countries conduct business and trade, bringing enormous economic benefits and increased connectivity across the world. The growth of international trade and investment has created opportunities for businesses to access larger markets, new technologies, and greater economies of scale. However, as with any major economic transformation, globalization has also created challenges and concerns over job displacement and inequality. One of the most significant challenges of globalization is job displacement, which occurs when companies move production to countries where labor is cheaper or when technology replaces workers. This can lead to job losses in developed countries, especially in industries that have traditionally employed large numbers of workers. The displacement of workers can also lead to inequality, as those who lose their jobs may struggle to find new employment opportunities or may have to accept lower-paying jobs. Another challenge of globalization is the growing inequality between countries and within countries. While some countries have benefited significantly from globalization, others have been left behind. Inequality has also increased within countries, as some individuals and groups have seen their incomes and job opportunities decline while others have experienced significant gains. To address these challenges, policymakers need to implement policies that promote economic growth and reduce inequality. This includes investing in education and training programs to help workers adapt to changing job markets, supporting small and medium-sized enterprises to encourage entrepreneurship and innovation, and providing social safety nets to support those who are most affected by job displacement. Policymakers also need to address the negative consequences of globalization. For example, they can negotiate trade agreements that ensure that all parties benefit from increased trade and investment, and they can implement regulations to protect workers' rights and the environment. In conclusion, globalization and economic integration have brought many benefits, but they have also created challenges and concerns. Addressing these challenges requires a multifaceted approach that includes policies to promote economic growth, reduce inequality, and address the negative consequences of globalization. By working together, policymakers can ensure that globalization benefits everyone and creates a more prosperous and equitable world. Globalization. Economic integration. Revolutionized. Conduct. Trade. Connectivity. International. Investment. Opportunities. Access. Markets. Technologies. Economies of scale. Job displacement. Companies. Production. Labor. Cheaper. Technology. Workers. Job losses. Developed countries. Industries. Inequality. Struggle. Employment opportunities. Lower-paying jobs. Growing inequality. Left behind. Individuals. Groups. Incomes. Decline. Gains. Policymakers. Implement. Policies. Promote. Education. Training programs. Adapt. Changing job markets. Supporting. Small and medium-sized enterprises. Encourage. Entrepreneurship. Innovation. Social safety nets. Negative consequences. Negotiate. Agreements. Ensure. Parties. Regulations. Protect. Workers' rights. Environment. Multifaceted. Approach. Prosperous. Significant. Traditional. Displacement. Struggle. Multifaceted. Implement. Reduce. Benefits. Everyone. Equitable. Policies. Address. Consequences. Regulations. Protect. Negotiate. Ensure. prosperous, sustainable, interdependent, innovation, cooperation, collaboration, competition, market access, tariffs, protectionism, free trade, multinational corporations, global supply chains, labor standards, environmental standards, human rights, social responsibility, incentives, infrastructure, development, economic growth, entrepreneurship, technological advancement,